Well, a fierce war of words has broken out between Press Council Chairman Justice Markandeya Katchu and BJP leader Arun Jaitley. This after Jaitley called Justice Katchu partisan, accusing him of criticizing only non-Congress governments. The Press Council chief has hit right back, accusing Jaitley of twisting facts for political gain.
Mr. Arun Jaitley has demanded my resignation. I demand Mr. Arun Jaitley's resignation. He has made reckless remarks against me, called me a megalomaniac and all kind of most derogatory language he has used, which was most unbefitting of a person who claims to be of his stature. So, in fact, he should resign and take up sannyas. He is not fit to be in politics. The way a person who twists facts, who accuses me of only commenting against non-Congress governments, when the fact is I have also commented against Congress governments. A person who said that I have got post-retirement appointment. Mr. Arun Jaitley forgets that when NDA government was in power and Mr. Arun Jaitley was law minister, there were a large number of appointments of retired judges to various posts.
Mr. Katchu has been crossing the red lines repeatedly through his various press statements, and because he is the chairman of the Press Council, he gets a space in the media. He is using words like nonsense, like rubbish, which are, which is a language which is not used by a judge. So what kind of judge Sri Katchu was, I don't know. But I'm convinced that he does not deserve to be the chairman of an important body like the Press Council of India. He should be dismissed immediately.
The kind of statement that he has made against Justice Katchu is highly condemnable. He has given the statement just because Justice Katchu has raised the issues, the developmental issues of Gujarat. Is it because he owes his Rajya Sabha seat to Mr. Narendra Modi that Mr. Arun Jaitley feels that he should defend Mr. Narendra Modi? I think Mr. Arun Jaitley should not comment like this. It is unbecoming of a leader of opposition Rajya Sabha.
Fact remains that Mr. Katchu, who holds a constitutional post, a statutory post rather, has seemingly become a vagabond and is floating across the country and giving unsolicited, bizarre remarks, an opinion about state governments. The facts have been very well positioned by Mr. Jaitley that he has a distinct bias. ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है कि काटचू साहब उस पद पर पूरे देश के भ्रमण करते हैं और वो सब विचार व्यक्त करते हैं जो अनसॉलिसिटेड है, जिसकी आवश्यकता नहीं, और उनका पक्षपात पूरी तरह से स्थापित है। उनके बयानों से उनके पक्षपाती रवैया पूरी तरह से स्थापित है।